As a survivalist, you know the importance of having the right gear in any situation. With proper tools and gadgets, you can stay safe and prepared no matter what challenges come your way. So in this video, we've gathered up the 7 life-saving survival gear and gadgets you must have. The Tops Brakimo fixed blade knife is the ultimate survival tool for anyone who spends time in the great outdoors. The knife is designed to handle the most challenging outdoor conditions, whether you're an experienced survivalist or a novice. Its 1095 high-carbon steel blade can withstand heavy use and maintain a sharp edge, which is essential for tasks like chopping wood for a fire or preparing food. The Scandi ground edge provides superior cutting and splitting power, making it easier to perform these tasks efficiently. The micarta handle scales offer a secure grip even in wet and slippery conditions, ensuring that you can use the knife comfortably and safely. Finally, the Kydex sheath makes it easy to carry the knife with you at all times, so you can be prepared for any survival scenario that comes your way. When it comes to surviving the wilderness, having the ability to start a fire is crucial. That's where the CHOKTAW fire taps from Tidal Survival come in. Made from waxed jute fiber, these fire taps are highly resistant to water, wind, and extreme weather conditions. They can be ignited easily with a spark-generating tool like Titan Survival Steel Ferro Rod, or with simple matches, lighters, or flint strikers. Not only are these easy to use, but they are also reliable. They provide wind-resistant and waterproof tinder that can ignite easily even on damp or windy days. Whether you're facing off-grid survival scenarios, natural disasters, or power outages, these fire taps are a great addition to your bug-out bag. Are you a survivalist looking for a reliable water purifier to add to your survival kit? Then the Rapid Pure Pioneer is just for you. At just 2.6 ounces, including the carry sack, the Pioneer is the lightest purifier on the market. It fits easily in your pocket, making it the perfect addition to your ultralight backpacking gear. With Ultra Ceram technology, this filter removes over 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, and more, ensuring you can drink confidently wherever your outdoor adventures take you. And if you're thirsty, you won't have to wait long to quench your thirst. The Rapid Pure Pioneer has an ultra-fast flow rate that purifies as it filters, meaning there is no waiting, backflushing, or special handling required. Now, shelter is one of the most important requirements in outdoor survival, and for this reason, you should consider checking out the SOL Escape Pro. This high-quality, durable, and water-resistant survival gear is designed to provide unbeatable protection from the elements, ensuring your safety and comfort in even the harshest of outdoor conditions. Crafted from tear-resistant material, the SOL Escape Pro is built to withstand even the toughest of environments, making it the perfect addition to any survival kit. Its zippered access and drawstring hood provide additional layers of protection, keeping you dry and warm in even the wettest of conditions. It also boasts a bivvy design that prevents condensation from building up inside, ensuring that you stay comfortable and dry throughout your outdoor adventures. Natural disasters can strike at any moment, leaving you in danger. In these situations, Tenergy's multifunctional emergency radio is a must-have gear. This radio is specifically designed to help you navigate through unforeseen emergencies and keep you and your loved ones safe. One of the most important features of this emergency radio is its ability to receive weather alerts. These alerts can warn you of dangerous weather conditions like hurricanes or tornadoes, giving you crucial time to prepare and take action. It also has built-in tools like LED flashlight and SOS sirens. The two LED flashlights can shine up to 120 lumens, illuminating your surroundings even in the darkest of conditions. You can recharge the built-in 2000 mAh battery by generating energy with the hand crank or solar panel. Alternatively, you can use other power sources like the included AAA batteries. In an emergency, it's essential to have a reliable food source to keep you sustained. The 72 hours food rations pack is a perfect solution for this. Each bar in this pack contains 400 calories and is vacuum sealed, ensuring that it has a shelf life of up to 5 years. The bars are also high in calories and low in protein, meaning they provide high energy while requiring minimal water for digestion. It has been tested to withstand temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to +65 degrees Celsius, making it a suitable option for use in extreme weather conditions. The package design is also heat sealed to maintain maximum freshness and resealable for ease of sharing and storing unfinished rations without exposing them to contaminants. With sufficient food to sustain a person for 3 to 5 days, the 72-hour food rations pack is an ideal addition to any emergency kit. And last but not least, we have the Atwood 550 Paracord, an essential gear you won't want to go without for survival. This incredibly strong and durable cord is made of high-tech materials and construction that has a high tensile strength of up to 550 pounds. Its versatility allows it to be used for various purposes, from shelter building and gear repair to fishing and making traps and snares. With a diameter of 5 by 32 inches, it is easy to handle and manipulate, allowing you to tie knots and make adjustments quickly and easily. So whether you're setting up a shelter or securing gear and supplies, the Atwood 550 Paracord is a reliable and indispensable tool to have in your survival kit. So that was our list of the 7 life-saving survival gears and gadgets that you must have. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, drop us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.